Well, back at the Battle of the Barracks. You guys ready? Ready? These are rules. Have you heard the rules before?
Once or twice.
Okay. Okay. You've heard the rules, huh? This is flat ground only, but not everything on flat ground counts. No feet on the ground, that means no complies, PJ, okay? I know, I've seen your shit. No hand plants, Moose, no hand plants. No bonuses, no grabs. No doing tricks that slide on the ground if your opponent popped his trick. Okay? No Malto manual shit, FYI.
Is that a new rule?
It's a new rule. He did a bullshit manual trick and won against Donovan. It was a loophole, but it was a big game. The internet went crazy. Last letter gets 2 tries. Offensive toe drag gets 1 do-over. Defensive toe drag has a bigger margin for error, but will ultimately be decided by the referee. Let's keep it clean, let's keep it lean. This is Battle of the Barracks 10. This is best of the best, boys. There's only gonna be 1 winner, so may God have mercy on your soul. Let's Rochambeau. PJ wins!
PJ.
You're the man.
That's fucking crazy.